Sometimes I wonder if it's worth it. I don't know. Don't worry about me. I'll be fine. Welcome back out to the shop again. It has been a couple of weeks since you guys have been here. It's actually been a couple of weeks since I have been here, and we are still dealing with steering boxes. So I have been working at work and trying to get other stuff done. I actually did pruning, and when I'm home I've been doing other stuff, and then my nephew got married. So overall my time in the shop has been extremely limited. My time at home has been pretty well limited too. Unfortunately, that means that this project gets just pushed off. The other thing that's unfortunate is the deadline to get this done has been moved up. So my daughter wants to have it by senior formal, which was May 15th, May 12th, May 10th, something like that. It was early May. It has been moved up to late April. That means that I have less than 2 months to get this finished, inspected, an exhaust put on it, and ready for her to take to senior formal. I don't know if that's a realistic goal or not, but that's me. I really need to get cracking on this and stop making stupid YouTube videos and get it done. I'm going to try to keep you guys to come along as much as we can, but that's the reality of it. So I'm out here. I need to get these things sorted out. I have another one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yes, we can count. Thank you, Sesame Street. This one does not have pitman arm. These all have pitman arms. Got to try to get those off. They are notoriously hard to get off. So let's give it a shot. I don't want to get the Big Daddy torch out because it's all the way over there. This is a puller that I've had for a long time, and I have had success taking them off with it. But I'm always a little bit gentle, and I don't put the big old, that guy, because I don't want to break it, because it's useful in other ways, because it's a good pulley. It's a puller of pulleys. It's not really made for this heavy duty of application. But every time I've bought one that is actually made for this application, I have broken it because I put all the forces on it. And I don't want to do that with that one, even though it has worked many times. The mini torch here. Okay, Big Daddy torch, or go get a real puller. What time is it? 7:15. Maybe they have a puller at Autozone that I can rent. Or do I make one? I gotta make some decisions. I seem to have lost a light. Okay. They have one in stock. I don't know if you can see that, but in stock, $105. Amazon, same thing, $56. Is it worth $40 to have it today, or wait till Friday and save $40? That sounds like a question that I need to go ask my wife. We'll be back. Well, I'm back. I'm fed. And I took the wife's opinion. She said buy both of them and return the one that comes in the mail to the store, but I'm not going to do that. I just went and I grabbed the loaner from Autozone, because that unit that they use is the one that they use for their loaner program. And oh, look at that, the light's back. All right, I'm gonna see if I can knock this off real quick and get these guys off, because if I'm borrowing a tool, I might as well get them all off, and then maybe try to get that back to the store before 10 o'clock. Here we go. As you can tell by the size, you can see why that one might be preferred. So we got these guys tightened up on here. Got that guy on there like that. And we just got to hit this guy with the ugga-duggas. Not the little guy, because we're done being gentle. We are done being gentle. Go. What's going on? Uh-oh. What just happened? Oh, success just happened. It always seems too easy when you have the right tools. Ta-da. Okay, well, that wraps it up for me tonight. 10 o'clock. I gotta go to work tomorrow pretty early, and I have to work in the city again. So I will be out of pocket tomorrow, and then hopefully maybe Friday and later this week I will get back on this thing. So I'll see you guys in a minute with what we do next. And just like that, it is a week, 2 weeks, 3 days. I don't remember exactly how long later it is, but time has passed. What's up, Harlan? And I am sick of dealing with these steering boxes. This one decided, randomly sitting here on my counter, to, well, you know, just bless the floor with its presence. I don't know. It was there for a week and it didn't do anything, and then all of a sudden, all of it. Order of business for tonight is to get the rest of the pitman arms off, select which pitman arm we're going to use, box up the old one that we want to send back for the core. I bought one because my wife told me to, and she's a good person. So here we go. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but those are strip threads. So the fight continues. All right. Naturally, when I should have given up hours ago, days ago, I didn't. I got one off by getting grade 8 hardware, replacing the cheap stuff with some grade 8 stuff, putting it on the floor and hitting it with the big guns full blast. And I just tell you, that's just a scary situation. I'm going to try it out one more time and see if I can get that last one off. If not, I'm cutting it. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm still working on these things. I just need to put that one in there. Why? I'm crazy. I don't know. Don't worry about me. I'll be fine. If you have ever wondered why it takes so long to get anything done on an old Jeep, it has nothing to do with any of that. It's the stubbornness in here. I had a pitman arm off yesterday, a couple days ago, and I wouldn't stop until I got all of the pitman arms off. I have the new box. Now I get to select which pitman arm I want to put on. Because I'm crazy, obviously. But now I get to clean up that mess. And then start putting that box back together. So, where do we land on this guy? OTC 731AO or the bolts that came with it to hold the spread are crap. One of them ended up breaking, galling the threads all up so you couldn't get it off. I ended up finding one grade 8 bolt that was the right size, and then one that was the size up, but I didn't have a grade 8 nut for this one, so I used a grade 5 nut for that one, and that got to look like this. So it got all messed up, and then I ended up having to find another one to put on top of it, so that I doubled up that nut like that so that it wouldn't slip those threads. Ooh, it messed up that nut pretty bad. And I used this spacer, and I set it on the ground, and I hammered away at it, and then I smashed it with a hammer, and it finally popped off. So one of them was on there really, really, really tight. The one that I was working on earlier tonight was really hard. The second one, or the third box, came off real easy, but anyway, one of these goes back for core. The other two, I'm going to teach myself how to rebuild steering boxes so that the next time I run into this situation, I can solve it by one that I have on hand in stock that I rebuilt myself and I can vouch for. But for now, Napa reman unit, lifetime warranty for as long as we own this Jeep and have that receipt. So get that one in there, and then that one in there, and then this one on there, and then do. But that's tomorrow, so it's tomorrow. You get the point. Okay, it's the next day, I think. I don't remember what day it is, but power steering, box is in, fluid is full, steering wheel's connected, wheels are connected, and so now this part here works. Also, we have company in the shop tonight. You remember Rachel? And, well, you know, stranger Mara, she hasn't been here in a while either. But steering wheel does steering things, and there's no play of steel, field of play of feel. You get the idea. Anyway, we're back to where we wanted to be a couple of weeks ago. All new. So that means we get to go finish putting this front end together. What Mara and Rachel are working on are Raptor liner. So we're going to be doing truck bed liner on the floor of the Jeep, and that way when we decide what we're doing with carpet, because we're going to put the carpet back in, but I think I'm going to cut it up into pieces so that it just kind of fits in there, and we want to protect the floor from abrasions and water and rust and all that stuff. So we're going to do the truck bed coating on the floor. It's going to be black, and it's just going to be one extra added protection, and it also will help with sound deadening and other things too. So that's it for this video. We're going to come back and keep going on this tomorrow or Sunday, but that's it for now. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for stopping out.